Tosha Renee, back with another video. And today, I'm with...
What's going on, everybody? This is Tone, aka Talkaboutit Tone. You can go to my page on YouTube, see how that's going.
I'll leave a link to his page down in the description. And today we are doing a lovely snack crate.
Oh, shoot.
So, we chose a mystery box, so we don't know what's in it.
Yeah.
So,
you know, our very first snack crate, so we wanted to put that much more mystery into it. So
right. I can't get this. Maybe we should read it.
Let me see. I want you to mess your nails up. Now, if we can get the box open, that'd be even better, right?
It'd be great. While he's working on that, we do have drinks or water. We do have a cup because there's a drink included. And then we also have a bag just in case we have to spit something out. So it's open. We're all gonna figure out together.
Seals off.
We're gonna all figure out together what's in the box.
Let's do it.
I'm scared. Yeah, I can put this down here for right now. You're gonna try to drink less?
Yeah.
Right.
Wash it down.
Whoa!
Oh, okay.
Y'all, we got
India.
So, wow, this is gonna be different.
This
so
is
it gives
awesome.
you, it gives you like facts about India.
Facts and fun facts.
Yeah.
As well.
All right, so these are the snacks that's in it. Ooh, we gonna have fun trying to pronounce these words.
I know, right? So if anybody out there that's from India that's watching this video, please excuse the fact that, you know,
If we pronounce something wrong.
Yeah, if we pronounce anything wrong, no disrespect for your country or anyone from there.
And then also, if we don't like the taste of it, it's just our opinion. So it's no offense. Okay, so which one you want to try first?
All right, we can try the India's Magic Masala.
And they're Lay's, so just a different
Lay's.
flavor.
All right.
Straw.
All right.
It is really sealed.
They make sure that you don't really open them immediately on cue or anything. So, so I'm gonna just, I don't know if y'all can see them, but they actually have like little ridges to where you can actually tear the chips. Chip bag, I mean.
So it says these chips are bursting with traces of cumin, garlic, and chili.
I got medium sized one, y'all.
This one
So,
got a lot of sauce on there. Here it go.
Hold on. Cheers. You know what?
That's not bad. A little kick. They got a little kick at the end. I'm not a fan of spicy food, but they're good.
It got a little kick. You know, I'm a fan of spicy foods myself, so it's really not that bad, but I do taste it. You know what I mean? So, again, these is India's Magic Masala chips from Lay's.
You like them?
I like spicy foods.
All right. So the second one is chili chatka. So this is the next.
Is that
This is the
shaka?
next one. I don't know. If you know the name of this, comment down below. But these are, is that that? No, that's not what that is. Oh, it's up here. These snacks live up to their name. Means the name of it means crunchy. The puff rice flavor with spicy hot flavors. Oh, great. So I feel like all of these are going to be spicy.
Yeah, I feel like, we're dealing with a spicy box.
Yeah.
Literally.
A spicy box for sure.
Nifty little treats.
Ooh, they smell spicy.
Do that? Yeah, they do.
They look like little Cheetos though.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, they do. Like little Cheetos. Yeah. So, cheers.
Cheers. That one also has a kick. Of course.
This one also has a taste. Of course, okay, they all got a taste, but
it has an aftertaste that I'm not really a fan of.
yeah.
But it's hot.
As far as the spiciness, I give it out of 5. I'll give it about maybe 3.5. And as far as the taste for me, my opinion, I'll give it out of 5 stars. Also, I'll give it still a 3.5.
Oh yeah, we didn't rate them. So the first one I would out of the Lay's, what we doing out of 5?
Yeah.
So out of 5, I get those at like a 3.
Okay.
Those I give like a 1.5.
Yeah. I give the Lay's around the same rate. So because they're spicy, you know, sometimes spicy foods can take away from the flavor if you're not really into the whole spicy foods.
Yeah.
But like I said, I am. So, you know, it kind of hand in hand almost. But
Yeah. All right, you choose the next one.
all right.
I got a lot of them in here.
I'm not really, even though it looks simple to pronounce, but I'm not going to try it.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's the name of it. It looks like a trail mix,
It
kind
do,
of.
like an Indian trail mix.
Yeah.
Taste of tradition.
Now these ones are crunchy, sweet, and sour snack. This bag contains a mixture of toasted components that will send your taste buds straight far east. I like sweet.
Okay. Yeah, this is definitely, ooh,
It's messy too.
a little messy.
It's like crumbs, but it has peanuts in it.
Got all types of little seeds and whatnot in it. Okay. My taste buds is like,
I actually like this one. This one I'll give 5.
they like sweet and hot at the same time. Not really spicy, but like a barbecue-ish
Yeah,
type of taste.
I think it's probably the roasted peanuts that's giving that.
Yeah.
But it's good though. I like that.
Yeah. My rating with these is a solid 3 out of the 5.
I give it 5. I like those.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
What's that? It look like noodles.
It looked like noodles. I'm not gonna try to pronounce that either. But that's what this is. But what is this one? I need to read what this one says.
What's this?
What's that one right
It's that.
there?
It says crisp bassan sticks bursting with traditional flavors such as curry and red chili. The texture and delightful spice of these snack strands will leave you addicted. Ooh.
I know, right? They don't have to smell. Oh, yeah, I'm not looking up.
Again,
I'm still dropping
it's messy stuff.
They look like noodles. Like, I don't know if you guys
I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but it's like an onion noodle thingies or whatever. What you call them? Onion sticks or whatever.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
No. Mm-mm.
It's a solid for me.
No, it's a 0. Mm-mm. I'm sorry. No offense. It's the texture for me.
It's the whole taste, the texture, the whole no
Yeah.
for me. Ooh, with the jam it.
Where? Oh, the jam.
Don't read this
Oh, I opened it.
one.
I opened the last one.
Okay.
This is Fab Jammin'. Thin, crunchy cookie sandwiches filled with smooth and creamy fruit flavored cream, covered with a layer of jam on top. We've included either orange, strawberry, or blackout currant. Which one is that one?
This is, it doesn't really say, it just gives us pictures.
That one looked like strawberry.
Okay.
Probably strawberry.
It's probably strawberry.
Oh, that's
Okay.
cute. What color package?
Got a little tray, cookie tray with it, you know. Keep
Oh,
them all in line.
they smell strong like strawberry.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Nice little design, you know.
they smell good.
Cheers. You know what these give me the vibe of? Like, you ever wanted to eat like strawberry jelly with cookies with, yeah.
You hear that crunch?
And it got little sugar flakes.
Yeah, that's what just crunched.
That's what you just crunched off of.
Yeah.
It got little sugar flakes in them.
They're good. I'm not gonna finish the cookie though, but it's good. Yeah. What would you rate it?
I'll say about, there would be a nice little snack if you really just want something sweet, but for me, I give it a 2.
2? I give it a 2.5. I think they're tasty.
All right. Let's see what else we got in the box of India snacks. This is called Parlay G. Parlay G.
They're biscuits.
They're biscuits.
These simple yet pleasantly flavored biscuits are a staple in India, flavored with milk and wheat, and they have a great taste.
These are in a rack, so we gotta be careful.
They just look cute. Cheers.
Cheers. You going bad?
Yeah, we're gonna keep those.
Okay. Keep these.
Those are 5.
I'll give them a 5 too. A solid 5.
Yeah. They're plain, but they're good.
Sometimes plain is good.
Mango bite. Raw mango flavored candy. I feel like I'm gonna like this one. Because I love mango. Where is the picture of them?
Raw mango flavored. Like, not artificially flavored.
They don't have, this is not on here.
It's not?
Oh, yeah, it does. It says, these candies give you the best of both worlds, sweet with a natural twist. Experience the real and puckering tang of a mango that's enhanced with a light, sugary bite.
Looks like
Oh, they're green.
Yeah.
Hold on. I'm struggling here. There we go. I don't like it. It don't taste like mango.
I'm getting something other than mango right now.
I don't know what that is.
And I really don't know what it is. It's like, not good.
Yo, it's like you can start tasting the sweetness and then it's like, wham, it's a different flavor. I don't know what that flavor was, but it's not mango. Mangoes aren't green. What are they?
One, mangoes, I didn't think mangoes was green, so you're right. And 2, I just feel like, I don't know what I just tasted.
Yeah. These are Poppins.
All right, it says Poppins are fruit-flavored jelly candies that burst with tangy sweet flavor.
Uh-oh.
They also have a unique texture that Indians love to refer as pulpy.
Oh, man.
She doesn't like pulp in her orange juice. Just throw that out there.
Oh, this is like, what candy says like this?
Mentos or something like that.
These remind me of candy, yeah, from back in the day.
Oh, yeah.
They remind me of that. Or Lifesavers.
Yeah, there you go, in the old package.
Yeah, where you got a rip. What color is yours, yellow?
Yellow.
I got a green one.
All right, let's see how it
Let's
goes.
try.
What you getting?
I like this one.
This is something, it's like an acquired taste. That's what I was trying to say.
Earlier?
Yeah. Like, the past one, this most recent one, and plus this one, is kind of an acquired flavor. It's not bad, though.
It's not. I like this one. I'm hanging on to these along with these cookies.
Okay.
Okay, I did 2 back to back.
All right, hold on. Let me get this out of my mouth first.
Oh, yeah, we can't split them out.
We got perks, baby.
it's my turn to read.
Yep. Got 2 perks. 1 perk for her, 1 perk for me.
It's called Cadbury Perk. Layers of crispy waffles coated with thick, rich milk chocolate. Each bite has a perfect snap by a blast of sweet chocolatey flavor.
It actually has instructions to snap the wrapper in half.
Oh.
I don't know if you guys can see it.
Fancy.
But yeah.
Like those popsicles.
Oh, it's already in half. Is this supposed to be like a wafer type of deal going on here?
It's giving me a vibe of a Kit Kat, but a Kit Kat that's stale.
Yeah.
He went in for a second bite, so it must not have been that bad, but...
Oh, man.
Roller Cola. Roller Cola.
Roller Cola. It says, the name says it all. This package contains small, solid cola flavored morsels. It's honestly a huge mind trick if you ask us.
Dun, dun, dun.
Add up here.
So these are like the same way that the other ones are boxed. Or packaged, should I say. And they're brown.
Alrighty.
So we're gonna try them.
This tastes exactly like soda.
Wow.
Just like they said.
Wow, it tastes just like Coca-Cola. But it's Roller Cola.
It's playing the trick on my mind right now because I really feel like I'm drinking like soda right now.
Yeah. They're good. What do you rate it? Oh, we didn't rate the last one, did we?
Last one was 2.
Yeah. This one, I'll rate it like a 1. This Roller Cola. This one right here.
Not bad at all.
This is a 5. This one's good.
5. Solid 5.
It's good.
Uh-oh. We got the Fab Bourbon.
Uh-oh.
Fab.
Crunchy biscuits sandwiched with a smooth layer of chocolatey cream. These babies have the perfect ratio of crispy to creamy.
All right, well, let's be the judge of that.
All right. Oh, they're cookies. Oh.
Cookies.
Okay. They're like this. You got little filling in the middle. I guess with chocolate, right?
Yeah. Like those little Keebler elf cookies with the...
Yeah, that's what they look like.
Yep. Okay. First and foremost, I want to say these is awesome, but there's a but. They're like really sweet. It tastes exactly like cocoa.
Cause it tastes like graham crackers.
It's like graham crackers with fudge in the middle, with sugar on the top.
I would rate that probably like a 2.
Same here.
It's magic.
Uh-oh.
It's pineapple flavored.
Magic's Pineapple, which says crispy biscuits with a creamy, tangy pineapple filling. This cookie satisfies all cravings with its amazing balance of flavor and texture. Not my favorite.
I don't feel like pineapples and cookies mix.
Yeah.
Yeah, it don't mix.
No, some people would say mint shouldn't go in ice cream. Mint flavor ice cream. Well, perfect example of I don't think pineapple should be on cookies or to be flavored cookies.
Or you know what? How people say pineapples don't belong on pizza.
There you go.
I would like pineapples on pizza better than pineapple cookies. The last thing would be a drink. And with this drink, it's called Thumbs Up. A true Indian classic, this lightly carbonated soda has the perfect amount of spice to cut through the sweetness. It's literally called Thumbs Up. I really feel like it's gonna taste like Pepsi. What do you think?
I hope so. Cheers.
It smells like Pepsi. It don't taste like Pepsi.
This is like the, I can't even call it the Coca-Cola of Pepsi's.
It's maybe because it's warm.
Yeah,
Because you didn't have it cold.
probably because it tastes like warm Pepsi with
A kick.
like an old-fashioned kind of taste, feel for it. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know if I can describe it in the correct words, but it tastes like a cola. Yeah, but it has its
Well, it tastes
own
like
thing
Pepsi.
going. Yeah,
It's definitely Pepsi.
like a.
But it got a, like I said, it got a spice to it. And I don't know what spice it is. But this is the end of the video. If you like videos like this, let me know. Comment down below. Like, comment, and subscribe to your girl and to Tone.
Talkaboutit Tone. Subscribe to me on my YouTube page. I would really appreciate it.
And again, links down in the description. And thank you for watching, loves. Bye.